Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive. This morning we're visiting with Dewayne Connor. He's board chairman for Room in the Inn of Bowling Green. For anyone who doesn't know, can you tell us a little bit about some of the work that Room in the Inn of Bowling Green does?
Yeah, Room in the Inn of Bowling Green, we are a nightly shelter for the street homeless. We don't actually have them at our facility. We're a registration center. The guests will come in, we'll register them. A host church will come pick them up, take them back to their facility, and give them a hot meal, a good safe place to stay, and be able to have a good night's sleep.
Dewayne, what are some of your all's biggest needs right now?
Well, we're a 501c3, so we're a nonprofit. We have no grants or anything, whatever. So we run only on donations. We're always needing funds, and the funds are used for like new cots, sleeping bags. Even for example, let's say a host church will have 30 people for the night. We have 40 to register, then that's 10 people that can't stay with us for the night. And what we'll do is we'll give them a lunch and then a sleeping bag to go with them, and a prayer, and we'll pray for them, and the following night they'll come back.
Now, I believe you all are looking to purchase more cots. About how much is a cot?
A cot is about $50 a piece.
Okay.
And we have a program, which is great, like for a Bible study group at a church, or if you want the members in your particular Bible study get together and buy a cot. That's on our Facebook page also.
Now, you all have an exciting event coming up. Is that right?
Yes, we do. It's November 5th, downtown at the Charleston. We've got a bingo night that is a fundraiser for us. It's a third fundraiser that we've had, and so it's $50 a ticket, $100 for a couple, $500 for a table. It holds 8 people, and that locks in the 8 people at one table. And so we'll come in. Doors open at 5 o'clock. We'll have a barbecue meal there for everybody also.
Now, the Charleston is a really nice venue, so that is exciting enough that it's going to be there. Now, a great way to help support Room in the Inn of Bowling Green. Dewayne, if someone wants to go, how can they purchase a ticket?
They can go to our Facebook page. There's a link to it, and there's also a regular website, which is roomintheinnbg.org. There's a link there to our PayPal account where you can buy tickets right there online.
All right. So fundraiser for Room in the Inn of Bowling Green, November 5th at the Charleston downtown. You said doors open at 5 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be bingo. There's going to be barbecue. It sounds like a great night, Dewayne. If someone can't make the event but would still like to help in some way, what are some other volunteer opportunities for people?
Well, fundraising wise, we're needing door prizes like gift cards. Any business out there who'd like to just donate some items, or like a gift card, they can. Now, we've always have registration through our season. Our season runs from November 15th through March 15th, and you're always welcome to come and help us at registration, register the guest.
Now, how can they contact you or Room in the Inn of Bowling Green if they have more questions about the event?
They can email us right off of the website. Also, they can call us at 270-599-6401. And we've always got someone, a board member, with a phone.
All right, Dewayne. Fundraiser for Room in the Inn Bowling Green, bingo night at the Charleston downtown. A great way to support the community and such wonderful work that you all are doing. It's going to be a great night with some great food. If you would like to buy a ticket for Room in the Inn of Bowling Green's bingo night, be sure to head over to their Facebook page at Room in the Inn Bowling Green. All righty. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.